Welcome to power testing for the shoulder girdle. The first step is to determine the 1 repetition maximum. Push and hold both buttons to enter the 6 rep test mode. Use the minus button to decrease the resistance. The first 3 repetitions are high velocity. These reps are performed at 10% of 1 RM. Each repetition is performed as fast as possible. Verbal cues are ready and go. The second set of 3 repetitions are high resistance. Use the plus button to increase the resistance. These reps are performed at 80% of 1 RM. Make sure the movement is performed as fast as possible. Rest between sets. Ready, go. Ready, go. The 6 rep test provides results for peak power and the resistance for maximum power. Power equals function.